Patrick's going to take the ridge cap off. And we have not gotten a chance to paint the roof. And we have non-stop rain coming. Don't know the percentages. Sometimes will mess with you because sometimes it'll be really, you know, a downpour for 5 minutes or it'll sprinkle for 5 minutes. We don't know what it's going to do. So we have some, what is that stuff? Felt?
Tar paper.
Tar paper? We have some tar paper from another project, and Patrick is taking the ridge cap off right now. And he's going to use this paper. And tar paper basically the whole roof, so it will, we don't want to ruin our OSB is basically what I'm saying. Luckily, we have the house wrapped, and that will help. There are some areas that I have to do today because I'm going to go get that tape. We haven't taped it yet since my fall. What I can film from down here. And the skies don't look too promising, but hopefully it'll hold off until he's got this done today. So he's just going to pull the ridge cap off and then start rolling out the felt or the tar paper, whatever it is. Okay, he's on the lower half. I don't think this was on our bingo card this morning.
What?
It wasn't on our bingo card. So he's got, what, 2 more sections, and then you're going to start rolling. That's good. I don't think it's actually going to take you too long. Yeah, getting that paper up there is fun. Especially when all I can do is really hold the ladder for him. That's really all I can do. Conditions are getting a little worse. I thought I felt a raindrop, but I was taping the house wrap. Patrick was got the second layer going. I don't know how much we have, but anything is better than nothing. I am a little scared. I am on only the second rung. I think I can get this while Patrick's trying to do the roof. But if I can't, I feel unsafe, I'll just get down and let him do it when he gets down. That scared Mommy. I screamed. That was right overhead. Now you can hear it. Yeah, staying weird. We're staying weird, all right. Monsoon season. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously. It's just unleashing. It's unleashing. And as fast as it came on, it'll leave. But holy moly. Gaby, what do you think, baby? It's too much. It's a bit much. We shut the cat windows because, dang. Filming it earlier too? Are we in Kansas?
We ain't in Kansas no more.
Aren't you glad you're not on a roof right now? Aren't you glad you get that done and Ryan helped you?
Yeah.
This is insane. This is monsoon season.
And it's monsooning.
In Utah.
Look at all the little monsoons.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was dumping. Shoot right that way. It was like,
Oh shoot! This is why.
what?
Look it.
Oh,
I left the room. I'm
Yeah.
recording. I left the room. Oh my gosh, your guitar's getting wet. And it's flooding right here. I never thought it would be that.
Get back.
Oh my gosh, these are soaked. We realized at the end of the video, I just got through editing and we didn't say goodbye on this video.
Goodbye.
It was so scattered, you guys. It was a week of craziness because not only did Patrick and Ryan finish, thank you Ryan for helping, first of all.
Yes, thanks a lot for coming out.
Oh man, and Patrick would never, it would have taken him another day.
In the darkness.
Yeah, in the dark, till 10 o'clock at night, no less.
Yeah.
The next day it started pouring. I think it was the next day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then Mikey came out, my son, my oldest son came out with my oldest grandson, and they stayed a few days. And it dumped on us here, and we had a couple of leaks, not gonna lie. This window we're sitting next to has a corner leak, and that's just resealable. No big deal. But the entry hall needs a lot of work.
Yeah.
It's bad. So it was interesting this week. And it's still going to dump because it's already started raining a little bit ago. Hopefully it won't do much today.
And there's just one big cloud out there and the rest is blue sky.
Anyway.
Pretty much.
But what do we got going this next week? Okay, so it's going to be about a little over a week before we get part of the roof on. But we're going to get in about, 7 to 10 days. We're going to get the rest of the tin for this whole section we're sitting in, and we're going to get half our roof done, which is exciting. So stay tuned for that. We are going to move our furry children, and we have decided what to do with the old trailer that doesn't work for people. We're going to make it into a cat condo for our cats.
Cat castle.
2 of them will live in the house. The rest of the 10 will live out there, and they're used to that trailer. They like that trailer. All except Cloudy doesn't know that trailer.
A bunch of them basically grew up in that trailer.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. So that'll actually work really good for them. We're going to do solar on that. Yeah, that's a whole thing, so stay tuned for that. Mm-hmm. We'll have a Q&A this next week. I'll finally get that accomplished, and yeah, we're going to have some things going on, even with the rain.
Be patient.
Because we're doing the best we can under really difficult circumstances. With me not being able to get on a ladder or do the things I was doing, it's really complicating the outdoor stuff quite a bit. But thankfully, we have somebody, my friend of 44 years now, now has been Patrick's buddy now for quite some time. And he came over and helped us, just no big deal. He just came up and grabbed his tools and came over. So we're just like really lucky that we have good friends around us. What else do we want to tell them? I don't think anything else is going on other than we're just going to do little projects in the house too.
Yeah.
Little things.
Little things.
But because we're concentrating our money and our time on the outside until it's done. Because monsoon season came early this year.
Yeah, it did.
Really early. So I would say 2 weeks early at least.
Yeah.
And that's just nuts.
And they'll see that in this video, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've got clips.
Yeah, you had a whole herd of monsoons coming by.
Yeah, it was crazy.
And it was sideways.
Yeah.
So.
But we didn't have any major leaks other than I left the bedroom to come film this over here. And while I did that, the wind changed and it started coming in the door because it hadn't been doing that. I had shut the window, but I hadn't shut the door, the sliding glass door, and wow, it got wet.
Yeah, and that was through the screen.
Yeah.
And half the bed was, just the top blanket was wet, but we got it off of there and hung it up.
Luckily, I went back in there and shut it, but jeez.
It didn't soak the whole bed, but it got the top blanket there.
The winds get us every time with the rain. You're fine, honey. You're fine, Mackles. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe. This is Maggie. Hi, honey. Yeah, she's our grand dog, and she lives with us. Oh, yeah, she does. And she's, what was she, almost 10?
Yeah, going on 10.
Yeah.
September-ish.
We appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. And give us a like on the way out. That really helps our channel.
And we love the comments, so don't forget to comment and share.
Yep, if you're new, say hi. We would love to know who you are. Until we're together again, if you have to.
You might find yourself in that predicament.
Hunker down. See ya.